Hey everybody, so I got a pair of Bluetooth earbuds that I'm going to be doing some review and stuff on. I got them for free for testing, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, so I already took and opened the package. There was 2 items in the package. I'll do a video separate on that one. But here is the earbuds I was mentioning. They are made by Zeakoc, Zeakoc. I'm not really sure how they pronounce it. I know the second time I said it kind of sounds funny. True wireless stereo. Comfortable wearing, IPX5, waterproof up to 8 hours, stereo sound, model number 51, the model number on the side is ZK-TWS-S1 or Zebra Kelly Tony Winston Sam 1. They are new. On the back it shows version 5.0 plus EDR. Shows playtime 7 to 8 hours, talk time 6 to 7 hours, earbuds battery 50 milliamp times 2, charging case battery 500 milliamp, recharge the earbuds 1.5 hours, recharge the case 1.5 hours, waterproof level IPX5. Socket icon means the case is charging. 100% when it displays 100, it means the charging case is fully charged. The lightning icon means the earbud is in charging status. Battery indicator for earbuds when it is full. The earbuds is fully charged. Shows a little demonstration on the box. So I already took these out of the package. You can see there's, might not be able to see with, oh yeah you can, there's tape right here and there's tape at the top. I already cut them, I already plugged them in to charge, and I already gave them a listen for a few minutes. So this is what it looks like. You have your 2 earbuds, then you have a charging case. I just put everything back in the package for demonstration purposes for the video. Flip the case open. Says 100%. The buds are directional. You cannot put them in wrong. So the left goes on this side. And you can see a battery indicator pop up. And the right goes on this side. They have a magnetic base. Oh, my light just died. Now both of them are showing 2 bars. When you close it, it disconnects them and then they start charging. Underneath the foam, you take this cover out, you have some extra earbud pieces, ear cushions, and a charging cable, a warranty card, and a user manual. I used it's a micro, USB micro, so I just used the cable I already had out. At the moment, they actually sound pretty good. I watched a couple of YouTube videos and listened to a little bit of music from the music on my phone with them. They sound actually pretty good, and I didn't even have them all the way up. I will do a video review on this item when I'm ready to do a review on it. So I will review this item, but at the moment they seem pretty nice. The bottom of the base says Zeakoc S1. They do show up on my phone when I was Bluetooth connecting them as Zeakoc S1 or Zeakoc S1, whatever. I might have to find out exactly how you're supposed to pronounce it. I would think it's Zeakoc. 3.7 volt, 500 milliamp, 1.85 watts for the charging case. Input 5 volts, 500 milliamps. I just used my cables plugged into a 5 volt 2 amp plug, so it just charged it really quickly. It didn't harm anything. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. And go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.